Water marbling on newsprint. Let's make some wrapping paper.
It's Donna from Hollywood, California.
Please save the dates for this crossover event. All collaborators as follows: Camille Amoy Art, The Brit Girls Go Stateside, art by Donna. Kim's Creations, Matilda and Josephine, Oak by Bettina. Cynthia Porter Studio, Laura Houston Art, Hema Art, JB Pour Art, Janya Bremick, Artista Rucci, Acrylic Creations by Jay Whitty, Nina Art Life, Brit Girls Go Stateside Again, and The Morning Pour by Holly. And the Oscar goes to... This is the second year crossover event hosted by Art by Donna. Please subscribe early and set the date. Hi everyone, this is Donna from Hollywood, California. It's Friday with Friends, and we do have a full house tonight, starting off with Janet. Acrylic Creations by Jay Whitty. Cynthia Porter Studio. Then there's me, and Nate Bright is next. If you've missed Janet or Cynthia Porter Studio, please look in my description below, and you'll find their links. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing tonight. It doesn't cost you anything, and it means the world to each and every one of us. In the meantime, in front of you here is a new water marbling tray that I have here. And this tray is, I believe it's 22 by 33, but I will put that down below for you. And this is the very first time I'm going to be working on this, and it is really different for me to be doing this on such a large, I'll call it my canvas, and it's driving me crazy because I see every little thing in here. Every little speck of something I see. So I do need to run a paper towel or some newsprint over this first. I'm going to run a little paper towel over this way, and that's to get any dust off. So let's move right along here. And what I'm going to do today is a piece of wrapping paper and probably 2 pieces of regular Deco Art paper that came in the kit that I had. It is October, and October is birthday month in our house. It's my daughter's birthday first, and then it's it's my son's birthday first. He's October 16th, and then October 19th is my daughter's birthday. Although she's the older of the two. But she's the one that we'll be with. We don't get to see Michael for his birthday. He's in Georgia. So, happy birthday month, Juliana and Michael. And to all the other October birthdays out there. And who doesn't love Halloween? So I'm using some Halloween colors here because I could not resist. I love Halloween. Halloween is is like a Christmas to me. I love it. I love to decorate for Halloween, so yeah, let's do some Halloween paper.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want. I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want.
So here is where I took my skewer and I'm going back and forth, and this is called a gilgit, which is like a zigzag design. I do realize at this point that I should have used some more paint because I am getting some breakage in my design here. So here I'm using my Deco Art comb. It's too small for this tub here. I did order a lot of supplies, and I have combs and rakes and lots of things coming that are all made specifically for the exact size of the water marbling. What you call this tank, I don't know. My canvas has that. It's gonna fit exactly inside here. But for now I'm using this, and as I said before, I really think I should have put some more paint in here. But this is a live and learn so far situation. I am reading up a lot on this, and I'm not going to be taking the class that I originally was going to take. That's another story in itself. But I have hooked up with somebody who does have a lot of information on it, and I bought quite a few books. So it's a process, but I'll be getting there. And as I sit here doing the voiceover, I can see a tiger in my print here. What do you think? Can you see a tiger too? I can use 2 sheets of paper right here.
Yeah.
Too
Sometimes I
bad
get
I
so
put
mad,
the
there's no
wrapping
controlling me.
paper
My
on the
thoughts
wrong
get so bad,
side.
I'm like, I might
I
grab a
took the-
bat, I don't know.
I
My
took
rap,
away
my
the
blood
tiger.
boils over
Oh, well.
like, oh God,
I
here
see the
goes. I
tiger
lost
on
all
the other
feeling
side
from my
too,
head
though.
to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show. So have you ever felt betrayed? Switches how you see things, realize something needs change. Cause I know you got me f***ed up. Let me show you what's up. Cause enough is enough. I'll take a face full of pavement just to make a statement. I know there's no turning back. Oh God, adrenaline wasted, so mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back. I'll do what it takes, I ain't making mistakes like that. I'll bleed on your face to make you go take it back. I'll lose my shit, I go crazy when I'm mad. And now you go wish you would shut the fuck up real bad. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. I don't take smoke, I'ma poke a hole through you. Choking's
Wow.
overdue.
Can you
Come at
see
me
that?
and you won't get any
How
older, dude.
gorgeous
Crack
that
your holder
is.
too.
Wow.
Hidden up inside of me, blood so violently. Thanks for trying me. Now it's finally time to see how this rivalry becomes my dynasty. Oh God, adrenaline wasted, so mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back. I'll do what it takes, I ain't making mistakes like that. I'll bleed on your face to make you go take it back. I'll lose my shit, I go crazy when I'm mad. And now you go wish you would shut the fuck up real bad. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know
This
there's
is the
no
piece
turning
that I laid
back.
over just to clean my water after I was done. And look how beautiful that came. And here's those 2 extra pieces of plain paper, deco art paper, dried results. Nate Bright Art is next. This is Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off tonight. Have a great weekend. Till we meet again.